Hi everyone, so today I'm trying to paint mountains using acrylic colors. So the first step that we have to do, we have to draw mountains, the outlines of the mountains using a pencil. And then since it's acrylic based painting, so here the method would be from light to dark, not dark to light. So will be the base paints would be light colors, and then we'll move to darker shades. So I started with white, the sky white, and then I'm blending bluish color, light blue. So you have to use one or two brushes all together so that you can blend two colors, white and blue. And then the darker shade comes into the picture. Here you can add clouds of your own choice. I have added clouds of little bit of yellowish and whitish texture. Now the basic trick that I have learned here is that you have to use the dark color as a base for the mountains, and first you have to just mark the boundaries and outlines using the dark color. So I have used here dark violet color, and first make some rough outlines, and then you can use a little darker shade or lighter shade or maybe a bluish shade to fill the mountain. So we usually do not fill the mountains with the same color with which we have marked the outlines. So in order to make some difference from outlines and the color that is being filled inside, we use different color. I have used a mix of light violet shade and bluish shade. So once you fill in the mountains, so you have to take brown shade, particularly burnt brown, and then you have to highlight it on the peaks, on some of the sides. You don't have to paint entirely, but you have to just mark strokes of it at certain places of mountains. Like you imagine where there are some dark spots, so where there we put brown. In the end, the mountains are of brown color, brown and greenish, right? Also I have added some small mountains, small hills, I would say, which are greenish and brownish in color, and we'll be adding trees to them, flowers to them, where we have value of flowers and trees and forest. So instead of a mountain or a hill which is having a lot of snow, I have painted them with a lot of greenery. So the next we will see how to highlight the mountains, and for that I have used a very thin brush, and using that I have just marked some zigzag lines dividing a mountain into two portions. And since I did not have a fan brush, so I did a DIY. I used a flat brush and I used a hairpin to expand it like a fan. So how fan brush helps? You can simply shade or you can highlight the mountains using the fan brush. Now here also when we are highlighting the mountains, so first we have to give it a base coat for highlights, and then since we have to add a little snow texture, so we will be adding a little white, more of a white on certain areas, specifically where we have more of a snow. So you can highlight it in a very small portions, corners and everything. The same we will do for the green mountains as well, and we'll just highlight it using mustard or yellowish color since the base is brown. You can add flowers, trees to it as well. So this is how the wonderful piece of art looks now.